I'm making the easiest holiday snacks today. A whole tray of Pretzel Snaps topped with Rolos and pecans pretzels, with kisses and M&Ms, and even marshmallows with Hershey and toasted coconut. Quick, fun, and totally crowd-pleasing. Perfect for the holidays. Let's make them! And here they are. The cutest little holiday bites, tiny, but packed with so much flavor. Sweet, salty, crunchy. Every bite feels like a mini treat. You can mix and match so many flavors. Try dark chocolate, peanut butter cups, or even caramel-filled chocolates. Let them cool completely to set or chill for 10 minutes. Store in an airtight container for 1 to 2 weeks, or refrigerate for up to 3 weeks. You can also freeze these for up to a month. Just let them thaw for a few minutes before serving. They're perfect for gifting too. Pack them into little treat bags or holiday tins and they stay fresh beautifully. Simple, cute, and always a hit at parties. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow for the savory, yummy teriyaki pineapple sausage bites. You don't want to miss it. See ya!